if you want your video background to look from this to this video is for you. Now, before I go into the tutorial, what I want you to take note of is this. Do your video normal, the way you normally do your video. Just do it like that, in a bright place, use a good sound, you understand? And when you are done with that, import that video to your Capcut and then do all the necessary editing that you need to do on that video. And for me, the only editing I don't do on that video is adding auto captions. What I do is, after I'm done blurring the background, that's when I add my auto captions. So you can do whichever one you want to do. You can add the auto captions first, you can do it after blurring the video, no problem. But I will recommend that you do it after blurring the background. So all you need to do is import your video to your Capcut, do all the necessary editing, and then export it back to your phone. And after exporting it back to your phone, then follow this process that I am about to show you. It's very easy. No matter how your background looks, when you blur it, it gives it a different look entirely, and it will come out so beautiful, just like this. So guys, are you ready for this tutorial? If you are ready, let's go there. So we are going to click on the Capcut app. Click on it. If you don't have this app, just go to Play Store and download the app. So guys, the next thing, we're going to click on new projects, and then we're going to select the video we are using for this tutorial. So I'll just go with this one of 1 minute 24 seconds. Click on it and then click on add. So guys, remember that this particular video that you just imported to Capcut, you've already finished the editing, like I said before. So this is the video, and we are going to blur this video right now. So for you to blur this video, you click on effects, then click on video effects. So we are going to search for blur. This is blur. You click on blur, and guys, this is the video. It's already blur, you understand? So this is it. So the next thing you need to do, please don't skip this part. Make sure you do this part. You see this blur effect, you are going to adjust it to the very end of your video. If your video is 10 minutes long, allow the blur to also be 10 minutes long, please. So when you get to the end, it will just stop. Do you understand? So please don't forget this part, so that some part of your video will not be blurry and some part will be blurry. So you need to adjust it to the very end of the video. So after this, the next thing we are going to do is you go back and click on overlay. Click on overlay, click on add overlay, and then you click on that same video that you imported, that same video, click on it, and then click on add. I hope you are following this process. I hope you understand this process. So immediately you add this overlay, the next thing I want you to do, please make sure you do this part also. Adjust the video so that it will cover the full screen. Did you see that? So just make sure you adjust it. This is the perfect size. So make sure you adjust it to cover the full screen. Do you understand? Don't allow it to be like this. It should not be like this. You need to adjust it so that it will cover it. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to search for remove background. So this is it, remove BG. BG stands for background. So click on it and then click on auto remover. Click on it, and then you notice that this place will start, the white stuff will go round. So if you have updated your Capcut app, yours will be like this. But if you have not updated it, it will start counting from 1 to 100, 1%, 2%, 3% to 100. So I will just advise you to update your Capcut app so that you will have the other features on your phone. You understand? So I will advise you to update it. Just go to Play Store, click on search, then search for Capcut, and you see update. If you have not updated it, just click on it and you will be able to access more features. So guys, if your video is very long, this will take some time, so you have to be patient, and this white stuff will go round, so you will know that your background has fully removed. Please don't stop, don't say okay, see, it's already removed, so no need, let me just move on. No, please be patient, so that everything will be okay at the end. That is it. One thing I love about this whole stuff is that it doesn't take big size, like big file size on your phone. It doesn't take much size. You understand? Because that was what I was thinking. So when I tried it, I got to realize that the size was still like almost, it was still the same. So we are almost there. So guys, did you see that? So finally we've removed the background of this video. So guys, this is it. Let me just play the video a bit for you to see. Don't worry, just calm down. I'm going to explain everything you need to know. So guys, this is it. So the next thing I'll just quickly show to you is how you can, let's say, reduce the blur effect, or how you can increase the blur effect. So what you need to do is you just click on effects, and then you'll see the blur effect. Then click on it, and then you see adjust. Click on adjust, and this is it. You can either make it less blurry by bringing it backwards. Don't worry, or you can make it more blurry. Do you see? So this is like 100 and it's very blurry. I don't like it like this. So I normally leave my own at 80, 70. So this is 70. This is it, guys. So this is it. Just, it depends on your choice. If you want it to be more blurry, like very blurry, just bring it close to the end. As you can see, this is it. Don't worry, just calm down. Guys, you see it? So there's no more excuse of my background is not beautiful, my background is not fine. This is it for this video. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If there's anything you are not clear about, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share guys, share this video. There are people that would love to see it. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.